Have you been wanting to link your WhatsApp to two phones or link your WhatsApp to your computer? Now, come closer because I'll be showing you how to link your WhatsApp to two different devices. Same WhatsApp for two different phones. Now, this is what you do. So the first thing is to launch your WhatsApp. You launch your WhatsApp and then you click on the three dots at the top right. Three dots at the top right, and then you click on link devices. Link devices. Here you see link a device. You click link a device and then yes. Now you see this scan code. That is for the first phone. For the second phone, you launch a browser and then you click on the three dots at the top right if it is an Android. For an iPhone, it's at the bottom right. The three dots at the top right, and then you look for desktop site. You click on it, and then once it opens, you go to your search and type web.whatsapp.com. I'll leave the link below this video. web.whatsapp.com. Now you go. It will take a while before it comes. Now this is what you get. Now you click OK, and then you scan this QR code you can see on your screen. You scan it with the other WhatsApp. After scanning, automatically you get a duplicate or a clone of your WhatsApp in the other phone, and then trust me, it won't disappear except you decide to log out. Now if you found this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button below so you will watch other videos as important like this one.